Here's some Barack Obama trivia. Subscribe. Who was the first African American president? Is it A. Kamala Harris, B. Jesse Jackson, C. Colin Powell, or D. Barack Obama? The correct answer is D. Barack Obama. In which year was Obama first elected? Is it A. 2012, B. 2008, C. 2010, or D. 2006? The correct answer is B. 2008. What was Obama's vice president's name? Is it A. Joe Biden, B. George W. Bush, C. Al Gore, or D. Dick Cheney? The correct answer is A. Joe Biden. Which healthcare reform did Obama sign? Is it A. Universal coverage, B. Single-payer system, C. Affordable Care Act, or D. Medicare expansion? The correct answer is C. Affordable Care Act. What is Obama's middle name? Is it A. Malik, B. Winston, C. Jefferson, or D. Hussein? The correct answer is Dusain. Which city was Obama born in? Is it A. Chicago, B. Honolulu, C. New York, or D. Seattle? The correct answer is B. Honolulu. What position did Obama hold before presidency? Is it A. State Governor, B. U.S. Representative, C. U.S. Senator, or D. Attorney General? The correct answer is C. U.S. Senator. Which foundation was co-founded by Obama? Is it A. Gates Foundation, B. Ford Foundation, C. Clinton Foundation, or D. Obama Foundation? The correct answer is D. Obama Foundation. What was the name of Obama's official residence? Is it A. White House, B. Buckingham Palace, C. Camp David, or D. Capitol Building? The correct answer is A. White House. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.